मैडम यूके गया की सती यूके जिला मैडम वोलेट नहीं दिया अभी या मैडम
मैडम दे आई से चेक में होला
इनसे के लाइसेंस लेके तो मैं गत्ते ओह
This is important. This is Tata one. This is important. This is my one. And this is important. ID passport is a headache.
Only $1?
That's my mother said she put a note with the 600, C600, my mother idea, and then she put the 6 here. Thank you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah.
correct
Correct?
correct
Yeah. Bye-bye. Photo of police. Of police. He has a big interest in police. I'm very pleased. Yeah. Thank you so much.
police cell
Yeah. All is perfect. Perfect. These are very honest people. Who's the lady man from?
both
She found on the road.
yeah
She's walking near health card.
no ready for our
police
hospital
hospital
is going to
on the way to the police hospital on the way to the police
cross
hospital
the road
Ah,
is not
Thank you, because your honesty, real honest person. This is the lady who found it. Say thank you.
both
Very, very honest person. He's saying very good people in this country. That's very good. Thank you so much, huh? From SUT. Thank you. And then you get her number.
yes madam firstly I called the madam value got
okay no
Thank you so much for your honesty and everything. Very kind.
well only the photographer or director suggestion no
Good girl, better go.
No.
My husband doesn't like these
No.
things. I'll get in trouble with the husband.
No problem.
Then that's a problem at home.